Hi friends, welcome to Simplifying Maths.
In this video, we are going to see expand form using exponents and powers. Expanding form using exponents and powers. Generally, what is expanding form? Expanding form is that we take tens, thousands place, hundreds place, we'll find the place values and write as many zeros they are. Like for example, 2168. This is the example I have. So first we are going to find the place values of them. That is 8 is 1's place, 6 is 10's place, 1 is 100's place, 2 is 1000's place. This one we are going to write it as 2 into 1000 because it's in thousands place, 2 is in thousands place, plus 1 into 100 because it's in hundreds place, plus 6 into 10 because it's tens place, plus 8 into 1 because it's in ones place. So we have written the expanding form that usually we do, but the actual expanding form is using exponents and powers. Now we are going to see how to solve this particular example only in expanding form. This is exponents and powers. By using exponents and powers, this exponents and powers, how we are going to write is the same way, but we are going to take the powers of the numbers. That will be 2 into 1000, right? We are not going to write 1000 as it is. We are going to write 10 power 3. That means we are going to take base as 10 and power as how many numbers there are. So here there are 3 powers. So we are going to write base as 10 and write 3 powers. Power as 3 because there are 3 zeros. Plus 1 into 100 is there. 100 means there are 2 zeros. We are going to take base as 10 and 2 zeros we are going to keep. That's it. Next, 6 into 10. 10 has only 1 zero. Just write 10 power 1. We also know that the 10 power 3 is 1000, 10 power 2 is 100, 10 power 1 is 10. So that way only this 1000, 110 only we are going to write in short form using base 10. That is how expanding using exponents and powers will be. With this we will see more examples. Let us continue this. 8 into 1. 1 we can write it as 10 power 0. 10 power 0 because we know that in a power 0 is 1. That means anything power 0 is 1. So 10 power 0 is also 1, right? As we are taking everything base 10, we should also take this also as base 10, right? The 1 also as base 10, right? So we are doing 10 power 0 as 1. So I have another example here. Let us see more deeply into exponents and powers expanding form with this example. This example also contains decimal numbers. That is 1425.36. See here we have decimal numbers also, right? First let us write the place values of these numbers. 1425.36. 5 is in ones place. Let us start from the right side. That is after the decimal number, before the decimal number. 2 is in tens place. 4 is in hundreds place. 1 is in thousands place. So we have kept for the number, we have find the place values for the numbers which are not decimal numbers. Okay. Now this is the decimal numbers, that is after the point. For this we have the first value, that is 3. This is called 1th place. This is 1th place. And 6 is, this is 10th place. In decimal we don't contain, in decimals we don't have 1. We start from 10 numbers. So the 3 has 10th place. The 3 has 10th place. It's not 1. Like how we do it for the before point. We are after point it comes different. That means we are going to start from 10th place. So 3 is 10th place and 6 is 100th place. 6 is 100th place. So let us expand this using exponents and powers. That is 1 into 1000 First, let us write in normal expanding form, then we'll use expand that exponents and powers. First, 1 into 1000 because it's in thousands place, plus 4 into 100 because it is 100 place, plus 2 into 10 because it's in tens place, plus 5 into 1. Plus 5 into 1 plus 10th place, that will be 3 by 10. 3 into 1 by 10, that is 3 by 10, plus 6 into 1 by 100. Okay, this is the numbers we have got. Next, let us put them in expanding form. That will be 1 into 10 power 3 because we have 3 zeros. We have to keep base 10. Then 4 into 10 power 2. 2 zeros. We have to keep base 10. And 2 into 10 power 1. 1 0. We have to keep base 10. And next 5 into 10 power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. So 5 into 1 is equal to 5 into 10 power 0. Plus, see how to write these type of numbers, like whether if it has 3 into 1 by 10 power 1. So what we have to do is, then we can just write it as 3 into 1 by 10 power 1. Next one we can write it as 6 into 1 by 10 power 2. In denominators. This both the numbers can also be written as, I'll tell you another form to write these decimal numbers. These decimal numbers, we also know that if they have reciprocal numbers, we can write them in negative powers. Like this. I'm writing from first. 1 into 10 power 3 plus 4 into 10 power 2 plus 2 into 10 power 1 plus 5 into 10 power 0 plus 3 into 10 power minus 1. 10 power minus 1 is equal to 1 by 10 power 1. Using the laws of a power minus 1 is equals to 1 by a power m. This law we remember, right, by seeing the video of laws of exponents and powers. In that video we have learned few laws. In that, one of the laws is a power minus m. That is, anything power negative is written as 1 by that number. That is that 1 by a power m. So this is written in denominator. We can bring it to numerator by taking the power negative. So it same applies for the 6 also. That will be 6 into 10 power minus 2. It is in denominator, it's in plus. If it comes to numerator, it will become minus. With this, we have completed our expanding form using exponents and powers. In next video, we will see about scientific notation. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.